This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we'll look at connections between beams and columns. Click on the Connections icon from the main menu and select Haunch Connections. For toolbars, the last used command is always visible, so the icons may look different depending on which command was last used. Select a column, then select the connecting rafter, and from the Options dialog, select the icon Haunch Web Reinforcement and Chamfer. Select another column and connecting rafter, then right-click or press Enter to end the command. The default connection is then drawn. Zoom in on one of the connections, and from the Macro Edit dialog, activate the Bolt tab. Modify the top edge distance. In this case, we'll make it 100. Then press the Bolt Pattern button at the center of the dialog and enter a value of 80 for the first entry. Then press Close. Advanced options for modifying the bolt pattern, including the pitch and gauge, are available in all macros using this button. Then click the Propagate button to copy this connection to all other columns on the drawing. We'll now draw a connection with 3 base profiles. Click on the Connections icon from the main menu and select Apex and Column Connection. Select the column beneath the first apex, then select the left rafter and then the right. From the Options dialog, select the icon 2 column end plates and press OK. Right-click or press Enter to end the command. Click the Propagate button and you'll see the connection is copied to the other side of the building. From the Edit dialog, activate the Bolts tab and modify the number of bolts to 2, then press Close. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.